In the first segment of our code, we define the function Regex pathMatcher. This function is responsible for determining if a path in a URL matches a specific regular expression pattern. We construct a regex object from the input pattern and then use the test method which evaluates the path. If there's a match, the function returns true, indicating the path corresponds to our regex pattern. Otherwise it returns false. Now, let's see how the Regex pathMatcher function is put to use. Here, we test a simple URL pattern that resembles a typical path to a user profile, whose ID is a number. The pattern specifies the beginning and end of the string, ensuring that we match the entire path. When we call Regex pathMatcher with this pattern and a test path of users 123, we find that it's a match. As expected, this results in true being logged to the console. As web applications grow, we often need to test URLs against various patterns. Here, we define an array with multiple regular expression patterns to match different paths, such as product IDs, order IDs, and search queries. Building upon our earlier function, we then create match multiple patterns, which loops over all given patterns. It uses Regex pathMatcher to test if the path corresponds with any pattern in the array, returning true on the first match or false if no matches are found. Finally, we demonstrate the match multiple patterns function with a real example. We test the path, orders, 456 against our array of patterns. Since one pattern matches order IDs with numeric values, the function returns true, indicating a successful match. This approach of consolidating patterns is scalable and efficient for handling a variety of URL routing scenarios within your application.